Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I want to show you something super neat. We have a Ford TPMS reset tool. When you have a Ford vehicle and your tire pressure gets low, the TPMS light will turn on. You'd want to check the tire, see if you have any issues. Find no issues, you put the tire back at the specs, and then you put the vehicle into learn mode. Okay, you can check out how to do that right on the internet, super easy. Then you just take this tool right here and you bring it over to the tire. Usually you start with the left front tire, then you go right front, right rear, and then left rear. You start at the left front, push this little button, the red light turns on, says I'm ready to go, I want to talk to you. It talks to the left front sensor. As soon as you hear the beep beep, the light's going to turn off. Then you go to the right front, right rear, left rear. At the end you'll hear beep beep beep, a couple extra beeps on that last one. That just says it's all set, and your reset procedure should be done. With that said, if you need this tool or any other, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.